Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula Kyntu yu Presiden jangka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC uba Vincent H. Pala. Ba undawat jingtip bniah halor ke Jingioh Ram ke Jylla hashuwa Kynthoh. Yakani ula jubah balor ke Kynthoh uba Vincent H. Pala bag sorkar MDA kan sepenngam ke Jylla hakaram daga bapensyai ke Jylla kadang dan hapoka kerdan balebut ke sorkar pedeng katenat pelatengka ke sorkar pedeng bat ke RBI bat kumta ke jingkeli bakane ke penngam pisah kedai ke bayalam baklayu patba. Habakiran kilat patai kubor ke artrek uno apra arajar arpusan Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulo ong ba Vincent H. Pala umla bersngutu igi jingken pisah. Perula kedau ba Jingioh ke Jylla kadai kumbah nyopo nak sispa ni pisah bela penmi na ke Jyllahi. Ula pensyai bahaki ram kum ke World Bank bat ke externally aided project. Kedan kata gaba prapo la arpo. Na kebentang karam kendai pun nak sispa kadai ke geran nak sorkar pedeng. Yang bagi jingken bero nyopu ar nak sispa la siu pat nak sorkar pedeng. Kat bag sorkar Jylla kak ban siu tang arpupra nak sispa. Kaba Kynthoh bag arpo nak sispa bag siu shwa. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula penkut gabong ba Vincent H. Pala upersyang ban penbaklai kipat ba. Namar bagi i ke Jingioh ke Jylla ke berangya cekamat badu Kyntu bagi di bensnguh shwa ya ke rukom Jingioh Ram.
I have repeated this again and again. I don't know, maybe the MPCC president is not able to understand the different financial numbers that I'm explaining. But I've explained this many times. I've shown the growth of the state. We have been very clear that when it comes to loan, Government of India has got its mechanism, and Finance Ministry and the RBI has got its mechanism to ensure that no state can take any loan that is beyond a certain level. We are very much within that level, number one. Number two, if you look at the overall growth story of the state of Meghalaya, you will see that almost 70% of the funds that are used for the growth have come from the internal revenue of the state itself. So maximum growth and maximum revenue has come, and maximum expenditure has come from our own state revenue. Third of all, the different loans that the MPCC may be referring to, which is the World Bank loans and the ADB loans and the externally aided project loans. Again, for the sake of explanation, I will explain that number one, it's on a 90-10 ratio. So 10%, it's an 80-20 ratio in terms of the loan and the amount that we are supposed to pay upfront. So 20% state government pays upfront. 80% is the loan component. Out of this 80% of loan component, 90% is grant from the central government, and Government of Meghalaya has to repay back only 10%. And hence, if you look at the entire calculation, 72% is repaid back by central government. 28% is paid by the state government, which has to be paid in advance upfront. So the question of this being financed through debt does not arise at all. So therefore, the MPCC president is trying to mislead the people, which is quite unfortunate. They are seeing the growth and they're not finding any way to counter the growth that is taking place, and hence they are misleading the people, which is highly unfortunate. And I would appeal to them that they should understand the finances before they speak and make such comments.